What's up, everybody? It's Steez Trades here. Today is July 28th, 2025, and today I am going to do our trade recap of our No News Monday. So getting into it, this is the price action today. This is the trade that we took. We took a short. It's a little over a 1-to-1, nice mechanical short. But let's get into the price action that started today. Let's pull up yes here. So, first things first, we came in. I had a more bearish bias today. I was wanting the new week opening gap to be completely filled, the one that we created on Sunday. As you can see, there's ginormous gap up. So we came in, we filled more than 50% of it. And then off of open, we had our first bullish candle. And then I was like, okay, maybe we'll be bullish. I still wanted the new week opening gap to get filled in. But then we ended up creating an S&T at the lows. As you can see, throughout the entire morning, the S&P, oh wait, this is on 5-minute. So you can see the S&P was rather uncorrelated to the NASDAQ. But then for the first time, we finally had, after we got this S&T here, we finally had this rally up, and Q swept this buy side liquidity here. And then this was a 1 hour fair value gap that actually turned into a 4 hour. This 1 hour here was a 1 hour, but then at 10 a.m. it turned into a 4 hour gap. And then we had our S&T because NQ took the high and ES did not. And then we had our rejection immediately of our 4 hour fair value gap. We did not even have a body close above it. As you can see, the wicks fully respect the 4 hour fair value gap. And then our entry was a 2-minute inverse fair value gap, as you can see right here. Upon the inverse, we also got our 2-minute break of structure and our CISD. As you can see, it closed below the body and the wick. So then I just told everybody, wait for a tap back into our 2-minute, our limit fill. We got that. Set your stop at the S&T high, and then your take profit would be at this unfilled 15-minute gap that we had. And it got tapped exactly. I only took this on an evaluation account today since it was a No News Monday. I'll show that right here. Here's my executions. Just took it with one contract on this evaluation account. It is a No News Monday. I typically don't trade my performance accounts, like my funded accounts, on No News Mondays. I would advise against it. However, this trade ended up playing out and it was pretty nice. But anyways, that was my trade that I took this morning. I made about, just $450 on Eval. Obviously, I didn't actually make anything because it's an Eval account. But that is the winning trade that we took. Now, before I go, I just wanted to let everybody know that if you want cheap funded accounts like this on Bullnox, you can use my code Steez and get 91% off of your 50K evaluations, which are only $15.75. The cheapest evaluations you can get today. I think it's even cheaper than majority of the Apex accounts. So you can use code Steez on Bullnox. I will also leave my code and a affiliate link in the description if you guys want to check out the prop firm. They offer Project X like this and NinjaTrader. Anyways, thank you for watching my trade recap, and I'll be back next time I have another trade.